back with another dog profiles. This time with, I have forgotten her name. Great. Maya, there. Maya, she is very old. Okay, not that old, kind of old. Look here, she has her bed. She's, looks like a husky. She's looking at us. She's not mean, though. She's like really cuddly. Although she is giving me the death stare. I guess she doesn't like to be on camera. She is afraid of the other dogs. That's why she doesn't want to get out of my room. Can't come out of my room. And she doesn't really play much, but sometimes she does. So yeah. Guess that's it. Say bye. Okay. Yeah. There. She is saying bye to you with the death stare. Bye, guys.